Hello my dear friends! Let's talk in this video about psychological side of playing the violin. As I am working with adults, I noticed some things which are not helpful in the process of learning. So tip number 1, don't be afraid of mistakes. Actually, it's very important to remember about that because in the process of learning will be many mistakes. You will play wrong notes, you will play right notes. Your bowing will be one day terrible, next day it will be perfect. So just remember that the process of learning is mistakes and also practice, and your attention should be not more on mistakes but on good goals and what you want to achieve. Just remember about that. Probably you would like to play your favorite song. Just remember that one day you will be able to do that. So it's first tip. Tip number 2, remember that you need time. Imagine that your violin skill is just newborn baby. Do babies start running from the first day of their life? Oh, of course no. So first they will just lay on their beds, then of course, I will miss some stages, but they will crawl, then they will walk, and only then they will run. The same is going on with your violin skill. So probably, firstly, you will produce not nice sounds, but with time, you will hear how your sound will change, intonation will change, and you will run with your violin, so you will enjoy this. And tip number 3, just relax and enjoy the process of learning as an adult. I am teaching also children, and I notice difference between children and adults. When I ask some child to do that or to play this child does it with all of his confidence. But sometimes it sounds terrible. So we have to improve intonation, bowing, even the position of the violin. But I like the way how they do it, how this child does it with enjoyment and so much fun. So I wish you to be like that child and enjoy the process. And I will see you in the next video, and we will talk about exercise which will help you to keep your shoulders relaxed. If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.